All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now, I have here a Blink Mini 2. This is a portable camera that you can use if you wanted to go ahead and use, like, for home security, surveillance. If you have a babysitter coming over and you have kids and you want to kind of see what's going on. Um, this is this should probably be something that you should have. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what is inside here. Now, I'm not sure about the specs yet, so bear with me. Of course, as usual, I'm always unprepared here, so I'm just gonna have to rip this up really, really bad. Hold up, guys, I gotta get a knife. All right, let's get to it. All right, so I got my favorite knife, which is a steak knife, because I love steak. I'm all about the carnivore diet. Just trying to cut the carbs, man. Anyways, here it is. So here's the camera. Very lightweight, small. And this is also good for vlogging. So you can hook it up to your computer. You can also vlog with this. And what else is in the box? We have Type-C, which is great. And we have a charger. Isn't it funny that you can get a charger in these like cameras, that are like 30, 40, 50 bucks. But if you pay $1,000 for a phone, they don't want to put a charger in there. That's pretty crazy. So, all right. And then here are the instructions. This is good reading material. If you ever go to the bathroom and you need something to read. How do you even read this? Holy crap. Look at this. Oh, well, won't be needing that. Let's go ahead and put this to the side. And, all right, so this is plug and play. So basically, let's go ahead and wrap this out. Take this off. Wow, okay. To be honest with you, this is a better unboxing experience than my Google Pixel 9 Pro. All right, so here's the camera. Here's the back. And I assume that we're going to go ahead and plug in one side into the power outlet. So this is going to go into the wall. So basically, let's see if this thing actually even has... All right, let's go ahead and do this real quick. All right, so I got to mess around with this thing. I'll be right back, guys. I'm not really sure how it works, so give me a second. All right, remember how I said that I wasn't going to use this little booklet? Well, I guess I'm going to use this little booklet. So basically it says download the Blink Home Monitor app and create an account. All right, so let's go ahead and do that right now. Let's go ahead and see if it'll work with my phone. So we're going to use my Pixel 9 Pro here. And we're going to go ahead and go to the Play Store. And we're going to go ahead and download the Blink Home Monitor app. We're going to go here, do this, Blink Home Monitoring app. So it just pops up right there. And let's go ahead and install that. And let's see how that works. Alrighty. So, all right, so let's go ahead and open that up. And then, all right, we're going to create an account. So we're going to use an email, next, United States. All right, we're going to put in my email address. I'll be right back. Let me do all that, and then let me set this up. All right, guys, so I added the, downloaded the Blink app. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the camera. So I think I have to go ahead and start with a sync module if you have a wireless camera, mini camera. Okay, let's see. Which one do I do here? I believe that add your camera to the system. All right, let's go with the, start with the sync module. If you would like to use a camera on your mobile device to scan, grant your camera permission, okay? While using the app. So there's a code right here. There we go. And create system, continue, name your system. All right, let's just go ahead and do Serbi and continue and discover device. And let's see if this works. All right, blinking blue. All right, so I think this needs to be plugged into a computer or something, so I'm not sure, but I'm not sure exactly how this works, but it shouldn't have to be. Let's see. Steady green, searching for device. Okay, no devices found. Okay, so I'm gonna have to plug this into a power outlet, and let's try it that way. All right, guys, so I plugged it into the power outlet. All right, so I got a green light here. Now let's see. Let's get back in here. And I think it's done. I think it's got it connected. So as soon as I plugged it into the power outlet, it went on. Silly me, right? Okay, done. Okay, so I think I'm done here. Go to settings. Okay, connected. Okay, done. Looking for your device. All right, so what needs to happen here? Blue's blinking, green's on. And let's see how long this takes. Should find it right away. I'm not sure if Bluetooth needs to. Yeah, Bluetooth's on already. So let's see how long this takes. Shouldn't it take that much longer, huh? All right. All right, while this thing searches for this, I'm gonna go ahead and take a quick little break. All right, guys, I'm back. So I had to exit that out. So I think what I have to do is I have to go here where it says mini cameras, and I'm gonna go do that now. No. Okay, find QR code. Now let's go ahead and do this. Okay, and it says disarmed. Continue. Blinking blue. All right, discover device. Something came up. The application has canceled the request. Okay, let's try it again. So it's connected. So the camera is connected. All right, so now I can't press play. I don't know why it's not letting me click on done here. See more, but it does show that it is connected. So what am I supposed to do here? Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, and all right, cancel. No, all right, let's cancel. Wow, this is a pain. All right, here we go. Has no internet access. Stay connected. Yes. All right. No. Okay, let's cancel this. And got it again. And let's do it. Unable to reach the blink cloud. Let it. Okay, let's do it again here. So mini camera. Let's do it again. Please. Okay, so anyways, this will work. It's just going to take some time, but you guys got to bear with me. I'm going to have to wrap this thing up right now, but I will definitely get it to work. Scout's honor. All right, here we go. So it's the Mini 2 camera. All right, now I think now it's going to work. All right, man. Okay, see, this is what happens when you don't read the instructions fully. So we're going to cancel this, and we're going to get out of there. And then we're going to go add a new again, and then we'll do the mini camera here. We're going to find the Mini 2 and do this again. Unable to reach. Please check your internet connection. All right, so it does show that my internet is not on right now. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Okay, so we'll go back here. All right, there we go. All right, now let's do that again. Okay, let's do that. Steady green, blinking blue. Discover device. System is busy, please. All right, so help. It's not well. It's blinking blue. Reset the device. Okay, let's do that. Boy, this is a pain. So where's the button for the reset? I assume to reset it, you have to unplug it and then put it back in. All right, wait like 5 seconds or 10 seconds. All right, I'm just gonna 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, let's do that again. Okay, come on. This is a pain. Okay. There we go. Searching for device. Do it again. We're going to get this thing to work, man. I know it's taking time. And I really did not connect a device. Connect. Okay. All right, we're connected. Connection successful. Okay, now what? Now what do I do here? All right, refresh list, other. Okay, we're good here, I think. Okay, so now I gotta put the Wi-Fi password. I think that will connect this device with the Wi-Fi password. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, this thing took a while, but I do have some progress here. So it does say it's updating the firmware for the camera, and the camera's added. Save the password. So basically, when you have to connect it to your Wi-Fi network, so make sure you get that correct. All right, next. All right, next. All right, blah, blah, blah. Unlimited cloud storage, done. Okay, whatever. Okay, tap on the play button, access live views. Okay, next. Tap more button. Okay, next. Finish. Okay. So, we're going to go ahead and press play here. All right, there we go. And we got it. Let's see, and here it works. Man, we got it to work. All right, guys, that was a mission, man. So I gotta tell you, like, seriously, that was a mission. And you can hear like the static in the background, but it works. So I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like nod my head and see what's going on here. Let me go ahead and put it in the middle, so if you guys can see that, see the camera. But it works. So I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. So you can just manage it through the app here. So you can turn it on, turn it off. You can mute, unmute. All right, so all right, we got it to work. So that's that. So anyway, guys, yeah, just follow the instructions. Even though I said don't read this, you're gonna need this. So I hope that helps, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time. Let me go ahead and turn this off. All right, let's get out of there. All right, guys. So anyways, that's that. If you guys like this video, don't forget, subscribe down below, hit a like button, bell icon. Till next time, and talk to you soon.